Hi. In this lesson, let's add an icon, a heart, that will be filled when our idea is liked and unfilled when the idea is not liked. Icons can be taken from the design in SVG format, which is usually done, or you can use pre-made icons from other libraries. So the library for icons is React Icons. It contains countless various icons. Here you can enter some keyword, like hard, and see all the icons available and use the ones you like. Let's apply this library with icons. I suggest you create separate content. This is a component called icon, and from it, you will take all the icons you need and declare them in this component. So, we create a file and install the library PMP, install React Icons. All right. And the component's content itself will be as follows. So let's break it down. We simply have an object with icons, where each key is how we will refer to the icon in our project. Like empty, like filled. And into it, we pass the icon component itself that we import from the React Icons library. Depending on what prefix it has there, AI, it means that these are icons in this package. That's it. We put a slash, import from here. All right, then we look at the component itself. We say that the icon has a name, and this name is one of the keys of our icon object. So the name can only be like empty or like filled. So let's wait for the library to install so we can see the types. Yes, great. The library is installed, and now we see that name is either like empty or like filled. To add all subsequent icons here. We also say that there are rest props. Rest props are all other props because we put 3 dots before them, excluding the name itself. What kind of rest props might there be? We take icon-based props. These are precisely the props that this component accepts. Good. And then in React, there's a function called createElement. You can pass the component itself into it. Here, we're passing it because icon's name will be something from here. So, for example, it's roughly the same as creating like this and passing in the rest props. Alternatively, you could make return, uteline heart, rest props, basically the same thing, but we need this component to be taken from icon's name. But you can't do it like this, and that's why you have a dynamic component here, so we use the createElement function. Great. We have a component with an icon. Now let's go and add it to our page with the idea of liking it. So there was such a string, it will become another. We import our icon. The icons by default, those we imported from the React Icons library, have such a prop. As the size, we set 32 pixels here. Then set the class name. Class name is also just in the props of these icons. It is predefined there. It will be set to like icon. And there you also need to pass the name of this icon. The name of the icon will be determined by whether the idea is liked or not. So, the idea is liked by me. Well, he knows it already. If liked, then fill it. If not liked, then like empty. Great. And this line can be deleted. Okay, let's see what we've got so far. Okay, here's our heart. And please, it works. All right, excellent. learned to load icons from third-party libraries. Next, we'll look at other ways to import images into our code. Thanks, everyone. Let's move on. Subtitles.